This is basic assembly of a saxophone. First, have your neck piece right here. Then the mouthpiece. Just slide it on about halfway. It's good, shouldn't be hard at all. Alright, you take the reed and just place it on the mouthpiece. Right there. Just like that. Hold it in place and take the ligature and just place it on. Just holds the reed to the mouthpiece. Tighten the screws. It's easy. Then take your saxophone and then this. Attach the neck piece to the saxophone all the way down, and then tighten the screws. You're ready to play.